King Akbar was feeling bored again. He loved to think up riddles for his courtiers to answer.
The only person in my court who can answer my questions is Birbal. He is a very clever guy and I really enjoyed his wisdom. Birbal, I have a riddle for you. If you were given a choice between justice and a bag of gold coins, what would you choose?
That's simple, Your Majesty. I would choose the gold coins, of course.
There was a silence in the court. The courtiers were shocked at this answer.
He chose money over justice. Can you believe it? Birbal is greedy. Birbal is greedy. Birbal is greedy. What? How could you choose the gold coins, Birbal? I never expected you to be greedy like the others. I thought you would choose justice over gold.
Said the king. Finally, when he had gotten over his shock.
Your Highness, I asked you what I do not have. In your kingdom, there is justice for everyone. So I asked you for gold.
Delighted with this answer, Akbar gave Birbal a bag of gold coins.
How was the story?
What you have learned from this story? Don't forget to send us the feedbacks.